Welcome to CS50web final project. Here we have an e-learning website called North Africa's Digital and Design Academy. We have some courses that are provided by this academy. The website is of course mobile responsive. Here, if we click on Read More, we can display further information about each course. And then we have the About Us section, using again Java jQuery to give it a more stylized approach. Let's sign up as a student. Here, you can choose which course would you like to participate in. For now, let's just stick to computer science. Now let's try to log in. By default, students can just register an account. They can only submit an application, and it's up to the role of the admin to either grant them access or deny them. We will see that later on. We're gonna check him back later. But for now, let's go to the teacher and do the same thing. Now, let's head over to the admin tab, and as you can see, there is no way to sign up because we don't want anyone to just sign up. So how do you create an admin? Well, there are three ways. You can obviously edit directly the database. You can use the Django admin built-in feature. You can create an admin there, create a user, and then assign the admin access to it. Or we can just use a hidden page for now. Now we are greeted with the admin panel. Of course, it is mobile responsive. So here we can see the number of teachers that we have, the number of students, the teachers awaiting approval, and the students awaiting approval. So let's start with the Teachers tab since we were already in the dashboard. Here we can view the list of all teachers that we have. As you can see, we can't see our newly added professor just yet. Here we can manually add a professor, and let's just call him Teacher 2. And now Teacher 2 indeed appears in our Teachers tab, but yet we still don't have our own previously created professor, and here he is, teacher learner. Now we can either reject his application or we can approve it. Of course we're going to approve it, and now if you go to the list of teachers, now he does appear indeed. Let's just say we don't like some of these professors' names. We can manually alter that into whatever we want it. Moving on to the students, and here we have the exact same thing. In classes, we have all the classes that this academy provides, such as computer science, graphic design, etc., English, database. However, if you want to view all students that belong to that certain class, you can always click on View Students, and there you go. You can see all the students that are taking the computer science class. Log in as the professor. We also have a to-do list, which can assist the professors keeping track of the tasks they need to do that day or that week. Lower priority is going to have a different colors, and the color is going to display the importance of each task, and indeed we can remove any task should we choose it. We also have a virtual Arabic keyboard. We also have the most useful emojis for education. But now let's talk about the attendance. We can take attendance and we can view it. Last but not least, now let's log in as a student. This is a mobile responsive website. For example, since we registered as computer science, we are greeted directly with computer science related page